Wasn't the greatest of delivery. Xavi knows it. Start back very quickly. See Smith is off the. Well, they were going for it. They still got 4 runs. Two bench, 1 bounce into the fence. Good aggression for that's a clean strike. Oh, misses the side street by inches. Oh, brilliant. 6 to end the over. Effortlessly put into the crowd. The love shot is given. Well, Smith is a derby. And still taken. Excellent catch. Went across very quickly now. Differently as well. He starts off with the boundary. That's all very high. He can be rest assured that it's not going in. And that'll be his 50. Cut away, good solid shot to get to a landmark. Neatly. Clean strike, great flow of the bat. And 50 at 6 in OD. Should be taken. Should be taken. And Ravindra Jadeja is going to be absolutely elated because he was crushed for a ball. And Mitch Mark, the way he was going, possibly. In the air, taken. What a cricketer he is. The prime of his career. He had some magic from Jadeja. This down. Inside edge. Back onto the stumps. Exactly the reason. He will test you, he will probe you. This time taken to the left. Shubman Gill making amends for the earlier mistake. Another wicket. You said, can he accept that field? Can he drill it for the trap? Hardik Pandya, no one. Another edge and what a catch. Shubman Gill. He's enjoying it. The Australians won't be. That should be easy as they come. Nicked and pouched by the wicketkeeper. So 136 overs of 189. And they've won their full 50 overs to do it. 86. Oh, that's a good shot. The finger has gone up. It looked up when the ball struck the pads. Marcus Stoinis swinging it back in. Oh, two sounds. The finger has gone up. That's beautifully bowled once again from Mitchell Starc. Fast and flat. Oh, again swinging in. A loud appeal. I think they'll go off this time. Height might be the only thing in question. Angle looked good. Oh, that's a good shot. Very good shot. The finger's gone up. Well, straight away, Shubman Gill goes up. Save late in the thing. Good bowling. Crawford to Starc. It's got it. At point. So Jadeja take one there. And I think it's a lucky shade. Split down shot. Great shot. What a wonderful shot that is. Class of K. Rahul. Nothing wrong. It's in the air, in the gap as well. Such a quick outfit. Yeah. Slapped away, and it goes away. All the way. And a 6 to Hardik Pandya. Oh, that's a surprise. And that goes straight into the hands of Cameron Green. And it's worked out well for Australia. Hardik Pandya going for that and falls prey to a short one. Runs, not great fine. Just offline and pays the penalty, the bowler. Start of the innings, good shot. Just flicked away. This wasn't the glove. Great shot. Boundaries, they're not getting too many singles, but the odd boundary just keep. You've got a few more days here, which I'm sure that. Shaw. Too short. And Ravindra Jadeja needed no second invitation, so that. And that'll be his 50. KL Rahul under pressure. And Wankhede. And it's been. Oh, now the big shot. And it goes all the way. This is scintillating batting from KL. Oh, flicked away into the gap. And into the fence. Again, a view on their foot. But the bowling was very good early. From Shami, from Siraj, the spinner.